Hey everybody, Tim here with today's review of Doctor Who, story number 77, the Sontaran Experiment. Only 2 episodes, like really short, one of the shortest stories of Doctor Who, which it kind of works. Like it makes sense. I'm not a huge fan of the Sontarans. Like they actually kind of frustrate me a little bit because I just find them kind of annoying. Even as we get into New Who, I mean, I'll talk about it more once we get there, but I don't find them interesting. So 2 episodes is enough. I'm good. So this story takes place right after the Ark in Space, where they have beamed back down to Earth to kind of figure out what's going on. It's short, it's sweet, it's to the point. They get down there, there's a Sontaran that's like experimenting on these astronauts. He starts experimenting on Sarah and Harry, and the Doctor puts an end to it. Which the Doctor gets shot, like, again. I swear to God, he's been shot in every story he's had so far. It's kind of interesting that when we first see the Sontaran, Sarah thinks that it's Lynx, which goes back to the first time we've seen that race, but his name is, like, Styre or something. And he actually is communicating with another one that's like, okay, so give me your field missions. Okay, go ahead and prepare for the invasion. And he's like, no. This one over here, I haven't given it water in like 6 days. I'm seeing how long it takes to die. Like he's just testing like the limits of humanity. And so when the Doctor shows up, puts an end to it, like talks to the field support, and he's like, hey, just so you know, we conquered your Sontaran guy, so you probably shouldn't send an invasion down here. The end. By the time we get to the end, like the Doctor, Harry, and Sarah are about to beam back. It's a really interesting story. I thought it was well done, maybe because it was only 2 episodes. This is probably one they could have done a third and gotten away with it, but I'm just, if this was the 3rd Doctor, they would have somehow forced it to be 6, and it just would have been awful. So overall, not much to say. Curious what you guys think about the Sontarans, how you feel like their makeup has changed and stuff like that. Go ahead, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time for Genesis of the Daleks.